Oh yeah. You hear the news? SavaAle dey come back. Second edition. We dey chase the ace again. Hey, listen to the rhythm. Hey. From 7 to 9, we dey chase the ace. SavaAle Sound, put a smile on your monitor. Oh, yeah. This no be lottery, no be raffle, make you no confused. It's a cultural vibe, make we chase away the blues. Chase 'em. January 7, 26, make you mark the day. All my HM people, time to celebrate. Leave your stress for house, come catch the rhythm. This one are for the culture, perfect ecosystem. We dey dance, we dey laugh, we dey feel alright. From Port-au-Prince to Paris, we unite tonight. This not for Haiti, make we all day as one. Before the night is over, all the stress is gone. Hey. From 7 to 9, we dey chase the ace. Hey. SavaAle Sound, put a smile on your face. Oh yo, oh yo. This no be lottery, no be raffle, make you no confused. It's a cultural vibe, make we chase away the blues. Chase 'em. But this music get a mission, it get big power. We dey build a future, brick by brick, hour by hour. Second edition, all the money we dey raise go for scholarship for the youth, for the better days. For the brilliant minds in IT or overseas. You see, fun can be humanity with ease. We dey help the country while we catch a little fun. Together we are stronger, the movement has begun. Hey. From 7 to 9, we dey chase the ace. SavaAle Sound, put a smile on your face. Oh yo, oh yo. This no be lottery, no be raffle, make you no confused. It's a cultural vibe, make we chase away the blues. Chase 'em. Now listen to the sweet part, make I tell you how it go. Just 500 guardians or $5 card, you know. You fit win 250K, 250. Now waiting at the top. While you help the youth, just a little pledge, you know be chuck. You dey London, you dey Miami, it no matter where you dey. If you love IT, you can play, you can play. Buy for yourself or your friend, or your tante Marie. Helping IT easy, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. From 7 to 9, we dey chase the ace. SavaAle Sound, put a smile on your face. Oh yo, oh yo. This no be lottery, no be raffle, make you no confused.